हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम देखेंगे टाइप्स ऑफ इंट्रूजन डिटेक्शन सिस्टम। तो चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं। देयर आर 5 टाइप्स ऑफ इंट्रूजन डिटेक्शन सिस्टम। द फर्स्ट वन इज़ नेटवर्क बेस्ड इंट्रूजन डिटेक्शन। इसे हम लोग शॉर्ट फॉर्म में कहेंगे NIDS. The NIDS checks every packet entering the network for the presence of anomalies and incorrect data. The firewall that are confined to the filtering of data packet with malicious content. The NIDS check every packet thoroughly, and NIDS capture and inspect all traffic regardless of whether it is permitted. Based on the content, the IP or application level, an alert is generated. Network based intrusion detection system tend to be more distributed than host based intrusion detection system. The NIDS is basically designed to identify the anomalies at the router and host level. The NIDS audit the information content, the data packet logging information of malicious packet. नेक्स्ट हम लोग देखेंगे, नेक्स्ट टाइप इज़ होस्ट बेस्ड इंट्रूजन डिटेक्शन. इसे हम लोग शॉर्ट फॉर्म में कहेंगे HIDS. In host based system, the IDS analyze each system behavior. The HIDS can be installed on any system ranging from a desktop PC to a server. The HIDS is more versatile than NIDS. One example of host based system, a program that operate on system and receive application or operating system audit logs. These programs are highly effective for detecting insider abuse. Residing on the trusted network system themselves, they are close to the network authenticated user. If one of these user attempt unauthorized activity, host based system usually detect and collect the most pertinent information promptly. In addition to detecting unauthorized insider activity, host based systems are also effective at detecting unauthorized file modification. And HIDS are more focused on changing except of the local system. HIDS is also more platform centric with more focus on Windows operating system. Next, log file monitoring. A log file monitors log file created by network service in a similar manner to NIDS. This system look for a pattern in the log file that suggests an intrusion. A typically example parser for HTTP server log file that look for intruder who try well-known security holes such as PHF attack. Example, swatches. These mechanisms are typically programmed that parse log file after an event has already occurred, such as failed login attempt. The next one is file integrity checking. This mechanism check for Trojan horse or file that have otherwise been modified, indicating an intruder has already been there. For example, tripwire. The last type is system integrity verifies. System integrity verify monitor system file to determine whether an intruder has changes the file. The integrity monitor watch key system object for changes. For example, a basic integrity monitor use system files or to track changes by intruder. Although they have limit functionality, integrity monitor can add an additional layer of protection to other forms of इंट्रूजन डिटेक्शन. तो ये 5 टाइप्स हैं इंट्रूजन डिटेक्शन सिस्टम. नेक्स्ट हम लोग देखेंगे जनरल इंडिकेशन ऑफ इंट्रूजन. फर्स्ट इज फाइल सिस्टम इंट्रूजन. बाय ऑब्जर्विंग द सिस्टम फाइल यू कैन आइडेंटिफाई द प्रेजेंस ऑफ एन इंट्रूडर. इंट्रूडर्स मीन्स क्या होता है? अटैकर्स. ओके. नेक्स्ट, द सिस्टम फाइल रिकॉर्ड the activities of the system. Any modification or deletion in the file attribute or file itself sign that the system was target of attack. If you find a new unknown file program on your system, then there is possibility that your system has been intruded. The system can be compromised to the point that it can turn compromise other system in your network. When an intruder gain access to a system, he or she tries to escalate privilege to gain administrative access. When the intruder obtains the administrator privileges, he or she changes the file permission, for example, read only to write. Unexplained modifications in file size are also indicate of an attack. Make sure you analyze all of your system files. You can identify unfamiliar file name in directories including executable file with strange extension and double extension. Missing files are also sign of probable intrusion or attack. Next one is network intrusion. Network intrusion, sudden increase in bandwidth consumption is an indication of intrusion. Repeated probes of available service on your machine. Connection request from IPS other then those network range are indication that an unauthenticated user is attempting to connect to the network. You can identify repeated attempt to log in from remote machine. Arbitrary log data in the log file indicate attempt of denial of service attack, bandwidth consumption and distributed denial of service attack. तो ये है ऐसे होते हैं नेटवर्क इंट्रूजन. तो अभी हम लोग देखते हैं कि उसके सर्टन साइन ऑफ इंट्रूजन. साइन देखेंगे. फर्स्ट इज सिस्टम फेल्यूर इन आइडेंटिफाई वैलिड यूज़र. नेक्स्ट एक्टिव एक्सेस टू अनयूज लॉगिन. नेक्स्ट लॉगिन ड्यूरिंग नॉन वर्किंग आवर्स. न्यू यूज़र अकाउंट अदर देन द अकाउंट क्रिएटेड. नेक्स्ट वन इज मॉडिफिकेशन टू द सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर एंड configuration file using administrator access and the presence of hidden files. The system performance decreases drastically, consuming CPU times. System crash suddenly and reboot without user intervention. Next, the file logs are too short and incomplete. Next, timestamp of system log are modified to include strange input. Next, system logs are deleted. System performance is abnormal and the system response is unfamiliar ways. Unknown process are identified on the system. तो ये है certain sign of intrusion. Thank you for watching.